design the future effectively, you gotta let go of things in the past. Charles Gibbon. Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood architect. I thought I'd give you a shout out and talk about a good future state architecture. So there are 9 important topics to remember when you're designing a smart architecture. The first topic I want to talk about is design your platform based on business context. So I was talking to one of my clients, and from day one we've been having discussions about their IT landscape for about 2 months now. But the business was not engaged thus far, and hence it was tough for me to determine what the platform needs to look like without key objectives. But we had a discussion with their business, and boom, 6 specific strategies came out, and it was absolutely fantastic to know that all along business had a strategy and a goal in mind, and the good news is we are working towards that goal now. But business context-based architecture. The second goal is support innovation. In this day and age, business expects data scientists and data analysts to have some kind of sandbox to play with. You as an IT leader need to support that capability in your platform. So think of how fast I can deliver the data in the hands of business. The third one is pretty easy. Basically you're building a service-oriented architecture for your enterprise. So make sure that you're always thinking in terms of SOA. Agile has been the name of the game. So when you're thinking about the delivery of this capability, you need to think agile. You need to think modular components. How fast can I release my what I build into production, and how soon can I get it in hands of business to add business value. Number 5, consistent enterprise-wide data definition. Well, if you have key KPIs at an enterprise level, but you really don't know what your data entities are and don't have a consistent definition, you cannot get the same number of KPI as how the sales and the marketing team looks alike. So it's important to have enterprise-wide, consistent data definition. Number 6, know where the data is. So we talked about data definition, but what is also equally important is, in order to meet your business needs, you need to know where the data is. I'm asking for sales data. Does it mean I need to get it from my CRM? Do I need to go after invoices to get it from my ERP? Or is my data warehouse the source of truth? So know where your data is an important context. Number 7, flexible data architecture. So earlier I mentioned the ability to give business sandbox capability so they can play with their data. But once you have a business case, once you know what to do with your data, you need to have a data architecture that is scalable, but more importantly, flexible and integrated with your enterprise data sets. Number 8, analytics. So we keep talking about the importance of business context and the ability of business to use your data. Well, what good does it make if they don't have cool visualizations and drill down capabilities to play with the data a little bit? So the data scientists are very mechanical and statistical in their thought process. But the executives primarily focus on any kind of visualization that'll help them understand where their business is and where their business is going. So number 8, analytics. Number 9, data security. So with digital transformation and social media kind of taking mainstream right now, data is available to everybody. But it's very important that there is data security and you have a good control over that security because you want to make sure that only the right people get the right data at the right time. So hope you've enjoyed that video about the 9 key pillars regarding your IT architecture. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out at LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.